Hey, I unexpectedly have to take a half day today. So, we are going to start an activity that I wanted to introduce to you, but I'm going to have to do it via video. So, let's see. We're going to go to Canvas for the directions and go to chapter 23, the module, Digestive System, and click on it. Everything that we've been working on the past 2 or 3 weeks is there. All the videos. At the very bottom, there's an activity called the mouth to anus activity, because what we're going to do is I need you to start to learn how the food that you eat, how it gets converted into or catabolized into smaller units or building blocks from the time you eat it to the time you poop it out. So it's called the mouth to anus activity. Now I have this handout here on the desk for the substitute to give you. But I'm going to click on it. I'm going to show you on the screen how it works. So this is the same handout that you're going to have on paper here, and we're going to be working on this for the next couple days into next week. So I don't expect you to get this done this period, but I do expect you to work on it because it is a lot of work. So what you're going to do is you're going to start from what you started yesterday, your meal. You need to pick a carb, a protein, a lipid, which is a fat or oil, and something raw, like a fruit or vegetable that's going to contain nucleic acids, which is DNA and RNA. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick that meal. Second thing you're going to do is on this handout, there are structures on the left-hand side here. There are about 16 structures. You're going to use your gastrointestinal diagram that we've been working on for the past few days, and you're going to take these structures that I put in alphabetical order, you're going to order them from mouth all the way down to anus. Then what you're going to do is you're going to use your GI diagram that you made to figure out how food gets broken down in the mouth. Which one of the 4 macromolecules, carbs, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids, get broken down in the mouth? What happens in the esophagus? What happens in the stomach? What happens in the small intestine? So 95% of this is going to be in your gastrointestinal diagram. If you chose not to make a diagram or don't have your diagram, you're going to have to go back in Canvas and read the book, the online textbook, and watch the videos. Everything you need to know is in the textbook readings and in the videos. This exercise is simply to make it easier for you. You are going to need to use every single term that you see in the right-hand side column here. Some we have gone over, some we have not. So the directions are up here on the whiteboard here. You're going to design your meal. You're going to order the structures in the first column from proximal to distal. And then you're going to start with one food and explain what happens to that macromolecule in the mouth all the way down to the anus. Then you're going to repeat that for the other 3 macromolecules. And then step number 5 here is you're going to add the details. You're going to incorporate some of the terms that we haven't used at all. Okay? All right. Good luck, and I will see you tomorrow. I expect you guys to work hard on this because this is going to be a lot of work over the next few days.